Hi everyone. So it is Sunday and I'm kicking off outfit with the week. To give you an idea, it is cold out, around 50 degrees is going to be our high today. So complete opposite of what we had yesterday. So I decided to wear this outfit, which was inspired to me by a Madewell mannequin. So this is a pretty basic outfit, but I really liked the way it looked. Now, the last time I wore this blazer, one of you said that all my blazers need to be tossed. They're all outdated. Well, guess what? You're going to see it again because I don't get rid of my clothes just because they're not the most trendy. I keep my things until I'm actually sick and just don't want to wear them anymore. But I like this blazer, so I am going to keep it. So what am I wearing? I am just wearing a plain old white button down, all right? A pair of straight leg jeans by Goss that are distressed, and my leopard shoes, and my navy blue blazer. I know this is a basic outfit. I did top it with the brown belt, just like the mannequin had, and a simple chunky gold chain that I got from Amazon, and some kind of interesting hoop earrings that, who did I get these by? I think I got these from Nordstrom, okay? So yeah, I mean, that's my outfit today. I know it's pretty basic, but you know what? I saw it on the mannequin and there was something about it calling my name. So this is my outfit for today. All right? Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Monday and it is now springtime. We're gonna get a high of 63 degrees today, and looking at the weather this week, I think tomorrow it's supposed to be 70s, and then Wednesday back to 60s, and Thursday I think we're gonna maybe hit 80 degrees. Oh, I am so excited. I'm so excited to break out the spring clothes. So these are some items that I've had in my closet for a while, and other things that I recently purchased, and just some things also I'm just styling different ways this week. So what do I have on today? So first I have on I'll call this color Sea Glass, faux suede moto jacket by Blank NYC that I think I got 2 years ago from Anthropology on sale. Love this jacket. With it, I have paired a blouse from Lucy Paris that I got out of a Wantable. And I'll take off the jacket so you can see the blouse. It's the romantic style, all right? You do have to be a little bit careful with your bra straps. They do kind of poke out here a little bit. You just gotta have to pull it in. And, it's the romantic style with the smocking up here and then the little peplum bottom here. And I love the print of this one. I'll come closer so you can see the print. It's like yellow and green little flowers. Love it. I love the name Lucy Paris, the brand. I just think it's so delicate and feminine. What I paired with them, I paired a pair of distressed high-rise jeans. And this is the reason why I wore it with it. This top, if I lift my arms up, it will pop up. The smocking does not come all the way down to where my waist ends. So I wear it with a pair of high-rise jeans to cover up my tummy somewhat, because it literally, there's like a quarter of an inch between the waist and where this ends, and it's sheer. So I don't want people to see my tummy through the sheerness. And I have paired on a pair of very high-heeled shoes by Sam Edelman. They're a Mary Jane style. Hopefully you can see that. And I love these shoes. They don't love me, all right? They're not very comfortable. They're ivory patent leather, square toe, and because they're patent leather, they're just not very flexible, and they have the high heel. That said, I'm not going anywhere today, so I should be okay wearing these. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is 7:40 in the morning on Tuesday. We had some gorgeous weather yesterday. It is getting even warmer today, supposed to be in the 70s. So what am I wearing for today? So I broke out this new Evereve outfit that I got. The sweater is by the name brand Evereve, it's their own label. And the pants are joggers by Sanctuary. So both of these I got in my last Trendsend box. With it, I have paired my Stitch Fix Me Too wedge heels. They're like an espadrille. And yeah, this is my outfit for today for staying and working at home. So I'll come closer so you can see the sweater. It has like pointelle throughout. V-neck, that's a very modest V-neck. And I'm loving this outfit, extremely comfortable. I think it looks put together and great for me sitting in a chair by myself all day at home. And that is my outfit for today. So as of now, the weather's gonna get a little bit cooler tomorrow, so you're gonna see me wearing like longer sleeves, and then it's supposed to get really hot on Thursday as of now. So my outfits are based on the weather, so you'll see some changes coming up. All right, take care, and until tomorrow. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and it is a very cloudy day. It's only going to be in the 60s today and it looks like it's going to rain. What's going on in my life? So yesterday I was working from home as usual, and then all of a sudden our power goes out of nowhere. Apparently the transformer that's right on my property blew, and next thing I know is I had 2 trucks here working on it. And then apparently at some point 2 more trucks came and it was finally fixed at 11 o'clock at night. We do have a generator, but it doesn't do full house, but at least, our groceries kept cold, so we didn't have to throw away anything. But it was out probably about, 8 hours, I'm thinking. Yeah, about 8 hours. So, yeah, hopefully, and believe it or not, we could not sleep, because even though that, they were done and they were fixed, they were still outside my house until like 1 o'clock in the morning, kind of making noise. And when I left at 4:15 or 4:30 this morning, I should say, to go to the gym, the trucks are still there. So I guess they slept over, but the power is fixed, so that's good. All right, what am I wearing today? Today I am wearing an outfit that I saw in an ad on Boston Proper, and I liked it. And Anne-Marie, I think my fabulous over 50 fashion life, I think is the name of her channel, actually had pretty much the same outfit that she showed on her channel. I said, that's funny, I'm doing it too. But I was actually inspired by an ad on Boston Proper. So what is it? All right, it's just a dark wash chambray top with a pair of white straight leg jeans and my matching Michael Kors denim sandals. So the top I got from White House Black Market several years ago. I think probably like 2019, I'm thinking. The jeans were, I believe, last year from Amazon. They're Democracy. And the shoes, gosh, they're Michael Kors. I think I probably got them from Macy's 2017, 2018, somewhere around there. And that is my outfit. I decided to put on this little Swarovski crystal necklace that I got at a discount. Back in 2020, I showed some jewelry from a friend who deals with Swarovski crystal, and in exchange, she gave me this at a discount, and my Argento Vivo earrings, and that is my outfit for today. Oh, and the belt came last year from an Trendsend, and you're going to be seeing a lot of this belt coming up. All right, take care, and until next time. Hi everyone, it is Thursday, and this is the last outfit of the week you're going to see from me this week, because I am going away tomorrow to visit my daughter at college. So I decided to take a break from the gym this morning. My body was telling me I needed to. We also have a 12-minute distance run at the gym on Saturday, so I wanted to be in good shape for that. And we're actually taking the gym class by my daughter's school. And it is like foggy, misty today. It's only a few minutes before 7 a.m., so I have my ring light on. I got up early as usual, and I went food shopping quickly and back here. And you're going to say, Karen, well, why'd you go food shopping? You're going away. I had to buy for the bunny. So we have a pet sitter coming, and I had to buy the bunny's vegetables. He gets spring mix and romaine served on a plate to him every morning. So he had to have his food. So in light of the warm weather, we're supposed to get up to 82 again today. So I decided I wanted to wear this outfit. This top is by Faherty. Faherty is a name brand. That's my bra. I think I need new bras. My bra straps keep falling down. Faherty is a name brand that is local to me. They are now nationwide. They have independent shops in various stores. They're sold on Nordstrom's. I wish them the best of luck. I love their clothing. Their style isn't necessarily my style. Like there's like always like a piece or two that I really like. It's more like this very laid back, casual, beachy type of vibe. And that necessarily isn't me, but this top definitely is. And it is a quite expensive brand, but when there is a piece I like, I get it. I want. If I want it, I'll splurge because their quality is impeccable. So let me kind of come close so you can see this blouse. This blouse, it's like an extremely light peach, bordering like on a neutral. And it has like this ribbed fabric, the pleats here, the ruffles here on the cuff. It's like almost like a lettuce type of edge, okay? It has lattice work throughout, ruffling around the column and collar, and then buttons down the front. And they are working buttons, but I don't unbutton them at all. And there's absolutely no gaping on this whatsoever. Love this blouse, love it. And this was worth it to me to pay that premium price for it. I received this from Trendsend. They also sent these matching earrings. And usually I usually don't match my earrings to the outfits. I'm usually more of a basic gold silver person. But in this case, I thought these earrings made the outfit. I thought they matched so well. They're the same color and they're like ribbed with like the ribbing in the blouse. So yeah, I kept the earrings on this one too. I'm also wearing just a gold paper chain necklace that I got directly ordering from Every Eve probably back in 2020. And what did I pair it with? Well, when they sent the top, I believe they also sent the belt, which was on my wish list, and I get much use out of this belt. So this is an Every Eve belt, and or I got it from Every Eve. I'm not sure what the name brand is, and I think I wore this yesterday as well. I paired it with a Stitch Fix skirt. This skirt I got back in 2018 when I first started Stitch Fix. I remember telling them things like, I could use a white skirt. Bam, I would get a white skirt. I could use a burgundy tote. Bam, here's a burgundy tote. So back when I started doing Stitch Fix, any win that I wanted, I would get. So I used to love Stitch Fix. It's like, wow, you saved me so much time from looking for exactly what I want. You have it. So yeah, this is like a just black skirt in white. I figured in honor of warm weather, I start pulling out my skirts. With it, I had a pair of shoes that I also received from Stitch Fix, but I got these on my own through the Freestyle app. They're by Aldo. They're an espadrille, closed toe, lace up. Love the lace up. Of course, they never stay laced up, but I love these shoes. And I am super excited I'm able to pull out this spring outfit today. So that is what I'm wearing today. I want to thank you for joining me this week, and I will see you starting on Monday again for the next outfit of the day. Take care, and until next time.